Hi! I'm sure you guys have all heard about JoAnns closing, and so I popped in to see what I could find, and I'm going to share with you my haul today. Let's get started. So the first thing I found there was a bunch of really beautiful scrapbooking paper. I really like this Cottage Place brand, and they have double-sided pages. I was so excited. And this is just kind of my style. There's sometimes when oh, look at that. I really like that. Sometimes I will buy some scrapbook paper in packs like this, and there are some that I like, but there are also some that I really don't like and I don't ever want to use. But I could see myself using all of these pages because this is just kind of my style. Oh, they're so cute. So I was excited to find double-sided paper so I can do some more paper crafting. If you've ordered a package from me, you'll notice that in your package I include some of those paper crafts that I do, some happy mail. So the ones that these are just so pretty. So the ones that I make in videos, you might get if you order a package off of Etsy. But yeah, like I said, all of these pages, I just love them. So there is that I picked up. I went ahead and grabbed a couple more of these, what do you call these? They're plastic mesh, plastic canvas, but my daughter uses it for practicing some cross-stitch and embroidery skills. And so I just went ahead and grabbed 2 more of those because they had those on sale. I mean, everything's on sale, so these are things I already wanted, so I might as well pick it up. I like to have these on hand. It's just blank cards and envelopes so that when a birthday comes up and we have a gift, we can just write a real quick note in there. My daughter's really great at drawing, so we just like to have these on hand. And she's really into pastels lately, so this is the box I picked up for that. Some more paper crafting stuff that I saw that were really cute. I like these binder clips that are gold and wired. I think they're really pretty when people are doing like bullet journal flip throughs or junk journaling. I think these are really cute, so pick those up. And then I also picked up this tag kit. I just like this for junk journaling is pretty much why I picked that one up, because I thought it was cute, or I could use it in some of my Happy Mail paper crafts. And then I'll include a link down below, but I've done videos where I make books out of cards and envelopes. And so I picked these up because I like to make those. And I plan to do this for my April. I'm hoping to do like a themed video series of projects in April. So look forward to that, and I will use these in that series. Next I have this embroidery where it's like a see-through, and so I like embroidering on things. I have a video where I embroidered on a strainer, and so I like this see-through, so I'm excited to try that out. And then I also got this really cute fabric. Once again, it just looked like my style. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. It's a fabric quarter. But the mouse and the garden stuff, I just thought it was cute. So I picked that up. And the last thing I bought were these ribbons. They're spring collection, which I think was at a higher discount. But I just love this pink velvet and this like green satin. And I will find a purpose for them in crafting. So I picked those up. Then as I was leaving, I was putting these in my car, and then I was gonna head to the Dollar Tree. So as I was walking over to the Dollar Tree, there's a lady standing outside, and she had this bag full of yarn, and she said, "Free yarn, free yarn, free yarn." And I was like, oh my goodness, did you say free? She said, yeah. She needed these for a project, but ended up not needing as much as she thought, so she tried to return it. But as you know, JoAnns right now is not accepting returns. So I paid her, I think it was, yeah, I gave her $5. I was like, let me give you something, you know, like she just wanted me to take it for free. I got these 6 big things of yarn. So, and they're colors that I love. I can use these. So there you go. That is what I got at JoAnns. And also some yarn. And I'm excited to use these in some of my future crafting. And let me know in the comments down below, what are some of your favorite craft stores to shop at? Now that JoAnns is closing, where else do you guys like to shop? And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.